entertainment editor, has made the topic of several interviews with Kangana in the recent past. Sushant, to bring you in now, we've just played out what Kangana has said. Sushant Rajput's body has just reached the crematorium, so the live pictures on our screen, we're going to keep them there until we get more ground reports on what's happening on the ground. There are several actors, some actors who are attending the funeral of Sushant Rajput, but most will not. But a very, very angry message, Sushant, from Kangana, as expected.
Yes, Shiv. Well, I spoke to Kangana a little while ago and I asked her about this message, and she said, listen, I'm absolutely disturbed and I'm fed up of this system. And what she's trying to say is that she basically went through this whole drill herself. I mean, she has called out the big shots, she's called out this nepotism gang, she's called out journalists who basically she's saying are, I'm paraphrasing a little bit, but basically she's saying that these journalists act as hired guns for certain top producers and actors, and they spread propaganda by these blind items that are malign everyone's image. According to Kangana, Sushant Singh Rajput was being made to be this neurotic person, had this attitude, could not work with him. Despite having the biggest hit last year, one of the biggest hits, definitely the biggest sleeper hit, he got no credit. He was nowhere. Nobody interviewed him, nobody talked about him. Didn't see him getting an award, not invited to weddings anymore, not in that clique as you mentioned, Shiv, very rightly. So who are these influential, powerful people who are getting this propaganda done against certain group of individuals who they don't like? There's also a big story about how Sushant had a fallout with a big production house in Mumbai, one of the biggest studios, did not sign a film with them, then he signed on another film, which ultimately did not see the light of day. And that's why, what she's hinting at, that's why when you isolate someone so much, you know, and you again and again try to prove that, oh, you are worthless, you do not belong here. That's what she's saying, that even though we are outsiders or we don't belong to the classic Bollywood Hindi film family, we have made our mark. So let us survive. We don't want anything from you, but give us that respect. Don't gang up on us. And she even goes on to suggest that people have told her that, you know, it will be very difficult for you to live, don't take an extreme step, hinting that, you know, don't commit suicide, which she did not. So, I mean, this is
scary.
Really scary, dangerous, eye-opening.
Many of those things actually ring true, Sushant. I remember. I remember that many of those interviews that you've done with Kangana actually, you know, touch upon this very sensitive topic. So what she's saying right now, I can connect it back to many of those things. We're going to try and pull out those chunks, Sushant, if you can get your team to do that. So I want to play out what Kangana has said now, as well as what she's told you in those interviews in the recent past as well. Let me play out for you once again what Kangana has just said.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत ने हम सबको झंझोड़ के रख दिया है, मगर कुछ लोग जो इस चीज में माहिर हैं कि कैसे पैरेलल नैरेटिव चलाना है, वो इस तरह से चला रहे हैं कि हाँ, जिनका दिमाग कमजोर होता है वो ये डिप्रेशन में आते हैं और सुसाइड वगैरह कमिट करते हैं. जो बंदे ने स्टैनफोर्ड की स्कॉलरशिप, वो रैंक होल्डर है इन हिज एंट्रेंस फॉर इंजीनियरिंग, उसका दिमाग कमजोर कैसे हो सकता है? अगर आप देखें उनके कुछ लास्ट पोस्ट, वो क्लियरली कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को बैक कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज मेरी फिल्म में देखो, मेरा कोई गॉड फादर नहीं है, मुझे निकाल दिया जाएगा इस इंडस्ट्री से. अपने इंटरव्यू में वो जाहिर कर रहे हैं कि मुझे क्यों नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री अपनाती है, आई फील लाइक अ लेफ्ट ओवर. तो क्या इसमें इस हादसे की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है? किस तरह से अगर किसी और स्टार किड ने इस तरह से 6-7 के साल के स्पैन में काय पोचे जैसे उनको कोई डेब्यू की कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला, या केदारनाथ या धोनी या छिछोरे जैसी फिल्म, एक गली बॉय जैसी एक वाहियात फिल्म को सारे अवार्ड मिलते, छिछोरे इज द बेस्ट फिल्म एंड द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, उनकी फिल्म को कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं. हमें आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें आपकी फिल्में नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन जो हम खुद करते हैं आप हमारे एक्नॉलेजमेंट क्यों नहीं हमें देते हैं? मुझे इनकी फिल्में, मैं जो खुद फिल्में डायरेक्ट करती हूँ, उनको सुपरहिट फिल्मों को ये फ्लॉप घोषित करते हैं. मुझ पे 6 केसेस क्यों डाले गए, क्यों मुझे जेल में डालने की कोशिश की गई? और मुझे इनके जो चमचे जर्नलिस्ट हैं, वो सुशांत जैसे लोगों पे जो ब्लाइंड आइटम्स लिखते हैं कि वो साइकोटिक है, न्यूरोटिक है, एडिक्ट है. संजय दत्त की एडिक्शन तो आपको बहुत क्यूट लगती है. वो लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं कि तुम्हारा बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम है, तुम ऐसा वैसा स्टेप मत उठा लेना. ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं मुझे? ये क्यों मेरे दिमाग में डालना चाहते हैं कि आप सुसाइड कर लीजिए? तो ये सुसाइड थी कि ये प्लान मर्डर था? लेकिन सुशांत की गलती यही है कि वो उनकी बात मान गया. उन्होंने कहा तुम वर्थलेस हो, वो मान गया. उसने ही डिडंट रिमेंबर व्हाट हिज मदर टोल्ड हिम. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होगा, वो मान गया. वो चाहते ही ये है कि वो इतिहास लिखे और ये लिखे कि सुशांत कमजोर दिमाग का था. वो ये नहीं बताएंगे कि क्या सच्चाई क्या है. तो हमें ये डिसाइड करना है कि हु विल राइट द हिस्ट्री. वी विल डिसाइड दैट.
Sushant, many of the things that Kangana Ranaut has said, like you also pointed out, this is not the first time she's saying these things. It's almost like a "I told you so" kind of comment that Kangana Ranaut has actually put out now. It's, this is not something that she's just pulled out of her hat or said out of the blue. This is an "I told you so" kind of comment from Kangana.
Shiv, she's been accused of being a witch, being psychotic, be completely crazy, somebody who would harm everybody on a set, who has a fallout with everyone, very disrespectful woman, not somebody who you can work with. This has, people have sort of done this propaganda against her for years. She's seen it firsthand. So you're hearing hearing it straight from the horse's mouth. And Kangana is that one example who took on this big clique, who took on the industry itself, and not only managed to survive, but managed to excel. She's got 3 national awards. She's a Padma Shri recipient. So obviously she has gone through this amazing journey that she's had, amazing successful journey, but not without these obstacles that she had to go through. Why do you think somebody like a Kangana Ranaut will come on Karan Johar's show and just call him out for being the flag bearer of nepotism? And then they never saw each other again. Similarly with everybody else. So Kangana is a very, very unique example, and what she's saying is, I see a lot of myself in Sushant Singh Rajput, what he had to go through. Ultimately, according to Kangana, a lot of films he was ousted from, he didn't get any films anymore, and that's what got to him, according to her. But I'm sure that, as the story progresses, as we find out more details, we'll get to the bottom of this. But right now, and as I said earlier, irrespective of this case, Bollywood's big clique needs to introspect. They need to look inside, go deeper inside, and think about these people. Yesterday you had Sikandar Kher saying, guys, don't gossip about each other. Who are these journalists who are doing blind items as propaganda against certain individuals?
And Sushant, we now have a soundbite from the past of Sushant Singh Rajput talking about this topic of nepotism, the very topic that Kangana has been crying herself hoarse about and has brought up once again. Here's Sushant Singh Rajput, who's no longer with us, speaking about nepotism.
It's there, and it's everywhere. It's just not in Bollywood. And so you can't do anything about it. But yes, so nepotism can coexist and nothing would happen. But at the same time, if you deliberately don't allow right talents to come up, then there's a problem. Then the whole structure of the industry would collapse one day. But till then...
Sushant Singh Rajput had spoken out quite candidly about nepotism. When asked about nepotism, he said it's everywhere. Sushant?
It is. I mean, he generalized the statement then, Shiv. And but as Kangana said, if you hear properly, what she said is, in his last few posts, like on an Instagram post on Chichore, his film, or some of the other Son Chidiya, his film, he was literally begging his fans that come and watch this film because I'll be out of work, I'll be a leftover. So please come and watch. So this is the reality of the situation right now. Irrespective, again, she makes a very good, very valid point. Irrespective of the fact that he had a huge hit in Chichore, all the awards go to Gully Boy. It's like as if you're handing out awards to each other. You've made this group, and you're handing out awards and accolades, and you are the it group, you're the elite group. And people are just being, either if you like those people, if they play ball with you, they are in or they are out. That's what she's suggesting. And that's what seems to be the truth. Because, I mean, Kangana's seen it all. She's done it all. Shiv.
Yes. She really has seen it all. She's done it all. And she's never hesitated to, call it out as she sees it. Which is why her words, Kangana's words right now seem personal. They seem personal from a person who has seen it herself. And now she's pointing that angry finger at a Bollywood that she has never hesitated to call out in the past as well. So it's an I told you so. It's an, I've been saying this all along, and that I am disturbed about something that I didn't know would result in a person's death. This is what I have been fighting myself. The clique culture, the closed door policy, the extreme exclusivity that many A-listers, the children of stars enjoy in Bollywood at the expense of outsiders like Sushant Singh Rajput and Kangana Ranaut. Many stars have tried to make this about themselves. Kangana Ranaut, I have to say, has been saying this for a very, very long time. Sushant, we're getting these live pictures from the ground of the funeral. The last rites are going to be taking place in a short while from now. We did see pictures of, I think, Kriti Sanon and Shraddha Kapoor arriving there. Are you getting any information about who's going to be attending? Any notable faces who will be attending? I do know that it's difficult right now. There are restrictions. It's also raining. But any word on who might be making an appearance, Sushant?
Well, we heard Riya Chakrabarti, his friend was there. Also Kriti Sanon,
yeah,
we know that. Also some producers and directors. Not because of the rains, I don't think a lot of fans or a lot of people from the industry have joined. But yes, these two confirmed names we got earlier, Riya Chakrabarti and Kriti Sanon. Certain producers and directors are also there. But another thing that I want to say over here, Shiv, is that now there are certain stories, certain websites, certain publications are carrying that Sushant Singh Rajput was hearing voices. People are comparing him now to Parveen Bobby. And what had happened. Can we just wait for an official word on this? I mean, since yesterday on social media, before anybody said anything, before Kangana had said anything, before obviously Karan, immediately after he posted his long post about how he could have been in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput, there was an organic movement that began. Fans themselves dug out his old interviews. They saw him saying that, guys, I'll be out of work. They put two and two together and all this started trending against Karan, against Alia, in favor of Kangana. Today Kangana speaks out and we are doing the story because of the outrage on social media. That's why we are dissecting it. But without any concrete evidence to plant these stories and now talk about things like, he was hearing voices, he was in a very bad zone. Kangana also talked about addiction, how he's been painted as an addict. Yeah. You don't look at Sanjay Dutt as an addict. He seems to be very cute. But Sushant Singh Rajput is this sort of a patient who's an addict. So let's just wait for all these clarifications which should come from the right authorities. What was his state of mind?
Absolutely.
We have to wait for this.
Only experts can talk about his state of mind, the circumstances surrounding his death as well. The investigation is still on and the cremation will be taking place in just a short moment from now. I want to take you straight to the Vile Parle crematorium. Those are images of family and friends arriving, Sushant Singh Rajput's family and friends arriving there at the Vile Parle crematorium where the last rites will be taking place in just a short while from now. In the other window you can see pictures of Sushant Singh Rajput's work that he will be most remembered by, but these are the pictures of his final journey. His body has arrived. His family has arrived as well. Pia Hingorani is on the ground at the crematorium. Pia, take it away. Tell us what's going on. When is the cremation to happen?
Well, Shiv, the cremation should be happening any moment now. They brought in his mortal remains about 15 minutes ago. He was accompanied by his family, a police convoy, and a lot of friends and well-wishers from Bollywood. We've also seen producer Ekta Kapoor, we've seen Dinesh Vijan, his co-stars Kriti Sanon, Shraddha Kapoor, and his other Chichore co-stars, which include Tahir Bhasin and Prateek Babbar. So you can see that, at least his co-stars, his directors, his producers, a lot of television actors have also gathered here at the cremation ground, to pay homage, to pay tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput. And of course, it's pouring here in Mumbai, so we can see, there's no way for people to go in, so they're getting down from their cars and walking into the crematorium. We can see a lot of crowds also behind us, of the media, of the police, because the police is also trying to maintain law and order, trying to tell people to, maintain social distancing. So you can see there's a lot of in terms of chaos as well outside the crematorium, because a couple of fans had come to see his mortal remains. Unfortunately, it's the funeral is a very private affair. Only friends and close family are allowed, so people are not being even allowed to step inside the crematorium. We're standing outside, and even behind me at the moment, you can see a lot of media. There's a huge traffic jam for people to come and see what is what is happening over here. But we're expecting a couple of more celebrities, but at the moment, the funeral is underway.
Okay, the funeral will be taking place in just a short while from now. There are stars from co-stars of Sushant Singh Rajput, notably from his film Chichore, one of his recent films called Chichore, which is people like Shraddha Kapoor and Pratik Babbar and certain others have turned up. Chichore was a sleeper hit in 2019. Kangana Ranaut has talked about how nobody paid Sushant Singh Rajput any attention despite this blockbuster film that 2019 produced. There's been a lot said about the kind of exclusivity, the fact that he wasn't given any attention, wasn't given the privilege of attention by the powers that be within Bollywood, and that may have contributed to his sense of isolation and depression, but that again would be in the realm of speculation. But before we go back to Pia, and I want to stay with these images because fans of Sushant Singh Rajput from around the country will want to watch this. Most people obviously cannot attend the last rites, but this was a very, very well-loved actor, a well-regarded actor who had made the transition from television to film, had delivered a handful of very memorable blockbuster films, most notably MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, where he essayed the role of MS Dhoni himself. And it is difficult to believe for millions of fans that Sushant Singh Rajput, all of 34 years old, is no longer alive. And that's why we will continue to play these images for you, for people to feel like they are there in this farewell ceremony for the young and rising star. Pia Hingorani continues to be with us, and she will bring us the very latest. Pia, we're looking at images of Shraddha Kapoor, Pratik Babbar. Have you been able to see any other stars who've arrived there? Is it basically only the Chichore gang or the stars of Chichore who've arrived there?
Absolutely. But we've also seen Kriti Sanon. They did a film together called Rabta. The film didn't do very well at the box office, but, they were known to be very close friends. In fact, Kriti Sanon did not put up a post on social media for Sushant Singh Rajput yesterday, and hence was trolled mercilessly for not paying tribute. But a lot of people don't realize perhaps is that, when you lose a good friend, it is a little difficult, especially, with Bollywood trying to come to terms with this entire incident. And of course, other people that we've seen here at the crematorium is Ekta Kapoor. She has often called, Sushant Singh Rajput her prodigy, because it was with, her TV serial Pavitra Rishta that he actually came into the limelight and then went on to do films. Very few actors have really made it from TV to the big screen. So she, believes that, Sushant was her blue-eyed boy. And of course, we've seen film directors like Abhishek Kapoor, Dinesh Vijan, and many others who've actually come here. Let me also tell you that, because of the restrictions of COVID-19, not too many people have been able to come, and also because, not too many people are allowed inside the crematorium. So it is a very intimate affair. Very few co-stars, very few well-wishers from the industry and his family and friends who are actually here present at the moment. We aren't expecting anyone else really right now, because the funeral is underway. It has already begun. It should be concluding any moment now. So, and we saw the Sushant's father who came in this morning from Patna. His sisters are here with, for the funeral as well. So, we can see the entire family has gathered today. And of course, very few people from the industry. And, like he rightly said in so many interviews, he did not have too many friends. But, from whatever we can gather, he did, touch a lot of people's hearts, because, at least his co-stars, his directors, his producers of the 10 films that he's actually worked on, they all are present here.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.